Just going to do a quick test here, testing the sound of different ratios of KHP whistle. Now I've pressed 3 increments in each of these, and it's going to represent a delay stage in a whistle rocket. And we're gonna, I'm not going to use a decibel meter because most of the time they're not accurate, I don't think, especially on your phone. So I'm just going to do it by ear, and hopefully it comes out in the video for you. But loudness and just the aesthetic sound overall. So typically people do this ratio here. Also, this has +1 copper chromite and 0.5 ferrocene. So this should be some pretty wicked stuff. And hopefully I timed all this stuff right so that one doesn't interfere with the other. 2 aren't going off at once, kind of thing. Oh, also I'm using PEX tubing because it's pretty cheap compared to regular cardboard tubes, the high quality ones. So hopefully that doesn't mess anything up for the test. Uh-oh, tipped over. That one was the loudest yet. Wow, it's getting louder. I kind of wish they were all oriented up so it'd be more controlled, but whatever. Feel like that one was about the same. Well, let's go see how the tubes held up. I'm kind of curious. So, wow, no bulges or anything. That's pretty cool. This is just PEX. Honestly, I thought the whistle was going to be louder, but turns out that 70-30 sounded the best to me.